God, I'm not too much to go with. Think like that boy. So this is a video with the cat, lizards. No,
I
likes it here.
I'll keep it.
On that, it looks like, yeah, you're giving me a pet. He went under the bed. Under the bed. He's under the bed. He's under the bed.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, he's right there.
Can you see him from there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
He's there, look.
I know. He just went under the bed. This is meant to be a video with him. So let's just wait for him. I'll pause the video. Get him out of there. Just kidding. I won't say that. I know this isn't pause. Okay. See ya in a second. Wait, literally in a split second for you.
Not coming.
If it pauses, I'm going to use my foot to pause it. Can you pause it? Thanks. See ya. Okay, we are back. He's under the bed and he won't get out. So I got at it. Yes. Alright, from yeah, I thought it was a massive video. Or was it a thing like that video? I don't know. Remember it? Oops, wait. Remember it? So I'll find out that you can twist it. See, to take it off. That's how the battery's going. It still works. You can see how that works. That's sick. He sneezed twice. Yeah, so we're going to be using... That's not the third time. But there he is. Can you see him? Can you see him? Lizard is so funny. We'll be right back. Kyle! Kyle! He sneezed again. He sneezed again. I know that I didn't post the video. He sneezed again. I guess this is part 1. I'll see you in part 2.